3, 2, 1.
Which country has the largest area and population in South America? The answer is A, Brazil. Self-watering pot, how would you do this? The answer is A, add water bottle with holes in it. How do you check if a cake is done? How would you do this? The answer is A, poke it with a toothpick. When did the Jin dynasty end? The answer is D, 1234. Which horse won the 2013 Grand National at 66-1? The answer is A, Aurora's Encore. What was the middle name of former U.S. President Richard Nixon? The answer is A, Milhouse. What percentage of Australia's veal comes from Victoria? The answer is D, 60%. The total square miles of land only in the United States was 9,372,610 square kilometers during what time period? The answer is C, 1989 through 1996. Who did Warrior's character Darkstripe feed a deathberry to? The answer is B, Surulkit. What school of thought is questioned on whether or not it is a religion? The answer is D, Buddhism. What is Warsaw's symbol? The answer is D, the mermaid. Where was Olympic track star Usain Bolt born? The answer is C, Jamaica. What advancements besides military technology did Europe achieve? The answer is C, communication. What compression did Euro 1180 later change to? The answer is C, MPEG-4/AVC. The prosecutorial efforts of the ICTR focused on genocidal acts that took place during which time period? The answer is C, April 1994. What kind of vehicle is used to raid the compound? The answer is B, helicopters. What canal opened in Egypt? The answer is C, Suez Canal. What type of cell passes on mutations? The answer is D, egg cell. What colors were added in the partial redecoration overseen by King Edward Roman VII? The answer is D, Belle Epoque cream and gold. When are Seafair events held in Seattle? The answer is A, July and August. What percent of California's 22 million people live in Southern California? The answer is C, 60%. Twisted Colossus was featured in which 1983 American road comedy? The answer is B, National Lampoon's Vacation. Why does Daniel's boss want him to go to Chicago? The answer is C, to pull off a robbery. How much does Robert Hawkins pay for the video of Fleming's death? The answer is A, $1 million. What type of paper is produced on a machine like the Fourdrinier? The answer is C, wove paper. What is the only occasion that a hockey goalkeeper may take off his helmet during a game? The answer is C, when taking a penalty stroke. Where does August take place during the winter? The answer is B, Zimbabwe. What equation is torque like regarding velocity? The answer is A, angular. In the Fellowship of the Ring, at which inn did the hobbits meet Strider? The answer is C, Prancing Pony. How many passengers use Miami International Airport annually? The answer is B, 35 million. What is the name of Elliot's dog in the 1982 film E.T.? The answer is C, Harvey. Airedale cheese comes from which country? The answer is A, New Zealand. Shivering helps the body return to a stable what? The answer is B, temperature. What are used to express the solutions of polynomials? The answer is A, radicals. Where did Origen meet Athanasius? The answer is C, Alexandria. What language has two-way distinctions between aspirated and voiced? The answer is A, Western Armenian. What workers was the social program of the Germans aimed at? The answer is B, Nazis. There is a great variety of what type of scripture? The answer is B, Buddhist. What else does the salsa do besides having unique gentle movements of the body to music? The answer is A. Tells a story. Who portrayed Isidore, a UFO prophet and leader of the Invisible Friends of Venus on the Mork and Mindy Show? The answer is B. Robert Donner. Staple, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be used as a paperclip to make a chain. Woods Hole, Massachusetts is famous for having many institutes in what field of science? The answer is C. Marine science. When do international teams not qualify for friendlies? The answer is D. Final stages of major tournaments. Which football club did Big Sam Allardyce leave to manage Bolton? The answer is B. Notts County. Who died at Buckingham Palace during WWI? The answer is C. King George V and Queen Mary. Where is James Carter on vacation visiting Chief Inspector Lee? The answer is C. Hong Kong. Which of the moons of Uranus is named after the Queen of the Fairies in A Midsummer Night's Dream? The answer is C. Titania. What is an example of a water-mediated weather event? The answer is D. Hurricane. What 007 movie did Sam Mendes previously direct? The answer is B. Skyfall. Who are the only English Freemasons in France?